Hi, this is Mr. Leo, and in this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how students can complete Padlet activities that were assigned via Google Classroom. Think of Padlet as a virtual corkboard. Students can put sticky notes, and on those notes, they can type, they can add images or links. Let's take a look and get started by going to Google Classroom. And on the classwork page, you can see that the teacher has posted a Padlet activity. We'll open that up. Teachers provided directions, add a note, share what you thought about today's lesson, what was easy, what was challenging. Take a picture of your work and record your voice explaining what you did. Here's a link to the Padlet. If we view the assignment, like in our sample activity for Seesaw, we want to make sure we mark as done to let the teacher know we've completed the assignment when we're all done. So we'll return to Google Classroom after we've taken a look at Padlet. Let's go to Padlet. You'll note that there's no login required in this instance for the student. The teacher has left a note. She said, click the plus sign, type your note. In the title field, please enter your first name and last initial, or type your initials in parentheses. So in this case, we're going to click the plus sign in the bottom corner, and you can see that you now have the opportunity to write a note. There's the title field. I'm going to put my first initial and last name, and then right below it says write something. I'm going to just type this as my note. I'm not really going to answer the question that was posed, but you'll also notice there's all sorts of icons underneath. Let's take a look at the three dots. You can upload a file from your computer. That's the upload button. You can enter a link. There's the link icon. You can search Google for images, videos, and whatnot. There's the Google image search. You can take a photo from your computer, capture video from your computer, record your voice. You can record your screen, but that may require another extension for you to install on Google Chrome, which our elementary students are not eligible to do. You can also draw. You can put a pin on a map, and you can link to another Padlet. In this case, let's just take a voice recording. Like you saw with Seesaw, you want to give access to your microphone, so we'll allow it. But in this case, I'm going to block on purpose to show you how to fix that in case your child accidentally does not allow the microphone. You'll notice the lock icon, and you'll notice microphone has been blocked. You can simply allow that. And when we click away, we can reload the screen, and it should come right back to where we were before. Let's continue to edit this note. Remember, we're going to add some audio. We can pause anytime. Recordings can be up to 15 minutes. You can replay the audio before you save it. And of course, we have a beautiful voice. Let's click the icon. This is my audio recording, testing, 1, 2, 3. We'll play it back. Give it a title, and we'll save it. That now becomes part of my note. You can see the audio appears below. And because I added a multimedia element, I cannot add any more to this particular note. It looks like I am officially done. If I want to change things and maybe get rid of that, of course, I can click the X and I'll have the opportunity to add at least one of these options to my note. Let's take a picture. Actually, let's do a drawing. You can see the color palette, pen and eraser. We'll just draw a big smiley face. Looks like you can change the background as well. Prefer a black background. And we'll save that drawing, and that automatically makes that part of my note as well. This will automatically appear on the teacher page, so it looks like we're done. We can close Padlet. And now, of course, we want to mark as done back on Google Classroom to let the teacher know that we've completed the activity. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.